At James Lewis, we work really hard to be super, which means that we're safe, united, positive, engaged, and respectful. And so one of the ways that we work hard to do that is we really try to notice all the good things that our kids are doing every day. So when a whole class earns their entire compliment strip, they actually help us pull one of our Supercat paws off of the wall. When we pull all of those paws off the wall, we earn a surprise. And so today we earned our first surprise, which was a dance party. I love watching my Supercats have a great time because I know that when we're celebrating super behavior, there is great learning occurring in the classrooms, that those are students that are coming to school ready to learn and are engaged. It's also just fun to have those moments with them, to dance, to be silly, to, enjoy the music and to take a break from all the hard work that we're doing. So it's a real treat.